Today, we will be taking a look at an advanced testing of the Aroon indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Aroon indicator advanced testing. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 53 different strategies, with 15 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 742 indicators, with 295 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested or advanced tested 4 indicators at this point, with 3 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve or maintain a 64% win rate. And keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Okay, so today's retest or advanced test is going to be on the Aroon indicator, sometimes called the Aroon up and down. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so basically what we have are these 2 lines here. One is the Aroon up, one is the Aroon down. I did go in and change the color on these because I think it just works a little bit better visually to have the Aroon up as green and have the Aroon down as red. I did also, go in and bump up the line weight of the indicators there. And so again, you can see it just a little bit better on screen here. Get rid of that line there, but there by mistake. All right, so basically what we have is, like I said, the Aroon up and the Aroon down indicator. And when these 2 lines switch, when they jump over each other, then that is a entry signal. And so really what we are looking for is whatever line is above the other line. So we're not too concerned about the lines being below. We're looking for the lines to be above. And so when the red line crosses up above the green line, that is a signal to go short. So for example, you can see right here, we get that cross where the red line jumps up over the green there. Right here, we get a slight gap up from 1 week to the other, stays within our stop, and then price takes a nice little jump down there, which would have gotten us to our take profit. If I go back over here, here's an example of a nice long trade here. And so right there, you see that the green Aroon line jumps up over the red one, and you can see that we get a nice, really nice push to the upside there. And so that is the Aroon indicator. And again, it was one of our winning indicators. Now we are going back and testing them over a longer period of time, or I guess over a more significant number of trades. And so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and do a fast forward version of the 50 trade test that I did, and then we'll pick this up on the other side to take a look at what this was able to achieve over the 50 trade test. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at what this was able to achieve. Actually, before we do, let me go ahead and give a shout out to our Patreon only channel. So this is our Discord server here. This is our Patreon only channel that we have set up just for our patrons. We post a lot of really great advanced information here in the Patreon only channel. Our admin J posts regular future analysis. Our one of our members, Sasquatch, here is an amazing Forex trader, Forex prop trader, constantly posting trade analysis, chart analysis of the Forex market. And myself, I am day trading the S&P 500 on basic contracts, working on growing a small account to see how a recent strategy that I developed works out over an extended period of time. I'm posting those trades live for everyone to see in real time and take a look at those and monitor how that goes. Another thing that we're doing is that if you are a patron of the channel, you can reach out to me, and I am offering a short period of time for a one-on-one session to answer any questions you might have, or to help you out with anything you might be struggling with. Our admin Jay also is offering that as well. So if you'd rather talk to our admin Jay, then you can do that as well. Again, for the patrons, that is another benefit to becoming a patron of the channel. So really great things and super cheap. All right, back to our indicator here. So over the 50 trade test, that's how many trades, how many signals. I did the back test on here. It was able to achieve 26 wins with 24 losing trades. And so that puts it at a 52% win rate. And so that is not going to hold up to that 60% win rate that we were looking for. And so this is one of those indicators that is going to go on the no list. It is not going to move on to the winning list. And so from here, we will test, I think we'll just test a new indicator in the next video. And then on to some more advanced testing and some strategy testing from there. So that's it for this one. I will see you on the next video.